and today I will report about Visual Designer apps and tools. So before we start our report, we will read first the learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students are expected to first, identify the different Visual Designer apps and tools you can use. Second, design a picture using a Visual Designer app and tool of your choice. Third, express the importance of using these apps and tools. I expect that we can attain these learning objectives. So, my first question to you is, have you ever used any of this application and tools to your photos? I bet you did, because we are born in a tech-savvy generation which we have access to social media where we can post photos, and as we are very conscious of that photos, and we sometimes edit these photos with the help of this application. So first, let us know what is visual design. Visual design is more than just aesthetics. It's a form of communication between your business and your audience. Businesses use graphics in every stage of the marketing funnel to inform, engage, and eventually persuade prospective customers to make purchase or take a desired action. So it is not just for our personal benefit that we use visual design in editing our photos, but also we use it in businesses, because businesses often use social media to attract, engage, and persuade prospective customers to buy their products. So, it is not only the brand alone that being sold, having certain color that represent it, but also the color manipulation applied on a specific image becomes a trendy product being sold all over the social media spectrum. So, the color manipulation here is called the presets. Many Instagram users sell Lightroom CC. It is an app they use to edit high definition and eye-satisfying photos. Presets in their websites to people who would like to make their photos presentable and attractive to their followers on a certain media platform but cannot afford to purchase the premium features of the application. So many people also take advantage of these presets and sell it to others who cannot have or cannot afford this kind of presets. So a Lightroom preset is a package of filter that takes the bothersome of editing, applying modified effects for you without you having to adjust levels of photo editing tools and features, only to achieve the desired fulfilling photo that you may want to publish in your Instagram account. So in our present years, most of us have a social media identity, and in that certain platform or certain page, we want to post photos that is likable or heartable or Instagram worthy. So we use this Lightroom preset to make our photos more satisfying and more attractive, and that can attract likes or hearts from our follower, friends, or peers. So this is an example of a Lightroom preset photo editing process. So here we have the Lightroom application with the photo and the presets in the corner. So a user or a visual designer can select in this presets and manipulate the image in the quality he or she likes. So if you want to try Lightroom preset photo editing process, here is an simple steps you can follow. First, you browse through your Lightroom photo library and select the photo you'd like to edit. Second, once you selected your image, select edit from the drop down menu. So we have here in my picture a picture that is selected from the photo library in the Lightroom application. Next is tap the preset button on the bottom menu to open a list of your presets, and next just click on the preset of your choice. So here I have box here, the preset folder where you can select a list of presets that you want to apply in your photo to make it satisfying and presentable to post to social media or to show it to anyone who you want. Next, there are many other apps that can be used to create visual rhetoric images that are ideal for social media marketing, even if you are not an expert in choosing and manipulating colors and fonts. They will help you to do the job well. If you do not like the Lightroom presets, you can also use this application below for you to edit. You can search the internet or search the Google Play Store to venture out this apps and explore if you like it, if you like the features of how it edit your app. So here are the list. One of us is Adobe Photoshop, Anyfont, Aviary, Bazaar Photo Editor and Collage, Blend Editor, Superimpose FX, and Enlight Photo Fox, and many more. So here I have the list the other apps you can use that is that does not take your time, and most of them are free. Here is also another list of the free apps you can use to adjust and manipulate your photo. And also here, and next we have the designer tools. Designer tools such as Canva, Fontify Style Guide, HTML5 UP, and Speculet, Pablo by Buffer, Pick and Pixel, and many more. These designer tools can help your business or you to make photos or edit graphics in a way that it can be satisfying and catch the eye of your customer or any person you want or your prospective viewer of your photos. So after discussing all the visual designer apps and tools, so how important are these visual designer apps and tools? Visual design aims to improve a design product's aesthetic appeal and usability with suitable images, typography, space, layout, and color. These tools can allow a designer to efficiently brainstorm and create, edit, and share their designs with clients. The scope, functionality, and availability of tools can vary. So visual design, we can see how it is important to our personal needs in our social media identity and in the business spectrum. It is also very important to the visual designer because it makes their jobs easier with the varied tools they can make and the apps that is made by our present generation, which is very tech savvy. So now that you have gained knowledge about the Lightroom presets and the various visual designer apps and tools, try to visit each of these apps and tools. Then you can try to edit and convey the importance of these apps and tools using your choice of app or tool. So in this generation, we are blessed with this technology where we can easily edit our photos, unlike on how we use it in the old times where a worker would manually write or manually create the font or pictures. But now we are blessed with the technology that we can take advantage to make our photos for our personal or business use easier. So this is my sources. You can also venture it out in the internet if you want to know more about the topic. And thank you. So if you have any question, just message me directly and I would gladly answer any question you may ask. That is all. Thank you.